how to log in to Blooket account. So if you want to log in to your Blooket account, then first of all open up a browser, any browser that you're comfortable with, and simply go for the search bar and search for Blooket. Go for the first search, which says www.blooket.com, and it will take you to the web page. So now go for login, which is on the upper right, and it will take you to the login page. So you can log in with your Google account, or you can also log in with your username or your email address. So simply enter your username or your email address on the first blank, and then your password on the next blank. But if you forgot your password, then you will have forgot password option. Simply go for forgot password. But if you don't have an account, then you can go for sign up instead of logging in. But if you remember your password and if you have already created an account, then simply enter your information and then click on let's go. And that's it. That's how you log into your Blooket account. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.